Welcome to Chapter 3 of Simple PHP Examples. In this chapter, we introduce the plugin architecture pattern for better code organization. The code is now split into distinct classes. A context class holds global state, an init class handles bootstrapping, and plugin classes handle specific pages. Let's start with the context class. It uses constructor property promotion to define all properties in the constructor signature. The array holds input parameters with defaults. The O parameter selects which plugin to load, and M selects which method to call. The out array contains output sections. Doc for the document title, head for the header, main for content, and foot for the footer. The nav array defines navigation items. Each item is an array with a label and the plugin name to link to. Next is the init class, marked as read-only. This means all its properties are implicitly read only once set in the constructor. The constructor processes input parameters using the pipe operator. Each value is trimmed and escaped with HTML special chars for security. Routing uses PHP's match expression. It checks if the plugin class exists, then if the method exists, before calling it. The toString method decides the output format. If x equals JSON, it returns JSON. Otherwise, it calls the HTML method. The abstract plugin class defines the CRUDL interface. Create, read, update, delete, and list. Each returns a not implemented message by default. Concrete plugins extend the space class. The home plugin overrides the list method to show the home page content. Notice the override attribute from PHP 8.3. This ensures we're actually overriding a parent method, catching typos at compile time. The About plugin demonstrates accessing context properties. Here we use the CTX email to show the contact email address. The contact plugin includes a form. The form handler uses JavaScript to open the user's email client with a pre-filled message. Let's see the demo. The home page shows our plugin architecture in action, with navigation between Home, About, and Contact. Clicking About loads the About plugins list method. The URL shows O equals About, selecting the About plugin. The Contact page shows the form. When submitted, it opens your email client rather than posting to the server. A powerful feature is the JSON API. Adding x equals JSON to any URL returns JSON instead of HTML. This makes the same codebase serve both web pages and API responses, perfect for building REST APIs. In the next chapter, we'll separate model and view concerns with a proper theming system. See you there.